Hey everybody, Craft Farmer here, and I just thought I'd make this quick video. I already started dealing with the problem, but I thought if I'm finding the problem, maybe somebody else is too. So, I got this. I've had this shop vac, this rigid shop vac, Home Depot, 6.5 horsepower, 16 gallon, like you see there, for 12 years or so. So this thing has been through all sorts of stuff. And this year I was having just a friggin' brutal time with the thing. It wouldn't pick up friggin' dog hair. Anyways, I just recently, because of some frustration, took this part off. You can turn it into a little leaf blower if you really wanted to, I suppose. And I had it in my greenhouse, and this whole cover was just chock-a-block plugged. Bad cameramanship again. So one day I'll friggin' learn. Chock-a-block plugged, full of that same shit. So I haven't even tried it yet. I'm just putting the screws back on right now. And I've got a new filter sitting over there, that green thing, HEPA, because I've got some lovely, got this little vacuum job to do on this old Clark forklift. But anyways, this old girl, she's got some, the seat's in real good shape, as you can see, but the mice have been calling it home all winter. But we have to get the mouse turds off there and rebuild the seat and get the old forklift up and running, because at some point here in the next hopefully month or so we'll have a new addition to the shop, and I would very much like to have the forklift in a functional state. So seems like it's one thing if it's not another, right? You got to do 12 things before you can do the one thing you need to do. So in order to get the tractor going, I just want to get the shit off the fucking seat, pardon my French, before I go and deal with old Forky here. So we'll see if this thing can actually suck more than the lint off of the ground. And where's the old plug in? I think I got her plugged in. Yep, I got her plugged in. So let's see. See if we can put that screwdriver in that handy little holder hole. Oh, not plugged in. Thought I plugged the gosh darn thing in. Oh no, air compressor's plugged in. See? Look at that. 12 different things. Again, pardon my shitty cameramanship. And one of these days I will go and get a tripod to deal with this stuff. Pardon me again. I'm gonna get a look at my wonderful lighting job on my ceiling. Anyways, let's see if this sucker sucks. Look at that. That looks like something broke. Oh yeah, baby. She's moving air now. You see, that was not even hardly fluffing before. So now we can stuff this old girl back in here. Like so. And there's a little clicky button right there to release this from the top stack, for those of you who are like me and just discovering the shit now. And then we can put this new filter in, so we don't get hantavirus or whatever the shit comes out of those mouse turds. And see, look at that. Look at all that crap that's in there. I think I gotta go take the old blowgun and blow that shit through there, so I'm not sucking it up again. Put that guy on there. New Angus. There we go. And then maybe we can do some vacuuming, eh? Vacuuming. And clickety-clack there. Clickety-clack there. Again, pardon the shitty shower. Oh, let's just see. Turn her on. Oh yeah, baby. There we go. So, if you're silly like me and own a old rigid vac, wet vac, and you lose your suction power and your hoses are clean and all the rest, that kind of stuff, check underneath this little cover. And of course, many of you will laugh at me, but I didn't really pay attention, obviously, until now. I've been farting around with this thing for several months and not bothering to look, just sort of dealing with it because I didn't have a real need, but been dealing with it mostly without a filter even, because the other one chowdered up on me. But anyways, there we go. Forklift turds, here we come. And if you like this content, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't, well, you don't. Hopefully we'll take you along on the Clark forklift journey here at some point. She's got a bit of a leak. You see this wet spot under her? Starts, runs, just doesn't drive. So I'm guessing we've got a bit of a transmission oil leak on the old girl that needs dealing with, and she needs some brakes and a few other odds and sods to make her for working again. But the lifting mechanism, she goes up and she goes down, and yeah, it's an alright old beast. So maybe at some point here we'll give her once we get her up and running, we'll give her a dusting of some paint and go from there. Alright, enough about that. The video was about that. Have a good one. Cheers.